again.
Hello. Today I am in
Brandon Marsh.
Marsh because this is a really good place. I felt like I wanted to show you it too. So we're gonna make a video about it, so keep watching, okay? Which way do you think we should go? Butterfly Lane or boring? I think we are practically right now in the forest. In the wilderness. We are going to show you some amazing wildlife things. If you want to see it, just keep watching and I'll show you. We are carrying on through the wilderness. We'll probably be finding something good. And we'll show it to you once we find it. We have to keep watching, otherwise we won't find anything. So, carry on watching and we'll see what we find. We are carrying on and we can hear some squawking. It's somewhere. You can sense it. I can hear something already. And it's ringing in my ears. And my heart is pumping and saying to me we need to find it. So let's keep walking on the adventure. What do you think we'll find? Beep beep. If you think we'll find something, just go on our website and find it. Easy. There's something we need to find. I can hear it and it's coming closer. I know. And if it is, I can take a peek and show you. Okay? Follow our lead, okay? We'll see what we can find. Kingfisher trail rabbits, hares, or geese, of course. There should be some things, right? But we're not seeing it. Let's keep walking and keep looking at the video, guys. Did you hear that? Take a look over there. Did you see it? Ooh, geese. Here is a wonderful pond. I can see some swans, but if you can't, that's okay. But there are some swans in the water. Behind all of the because I can hear a birdie. I think I can see a little birdie as well. Where's the little birdie? Let me take a peek with my binoculars to see if there is anything around. Where is... I don't think I can see anything. I think there's something down there. I know it. Do you remember I showed you some geese? They're definitely down there. Let's keep walking and we'll probably find something there. This is different than tasting water because it is fruity. It is. Where's it? Brandon. see a duck over there? I knew that would be some type of bird. Can you see it? There's another one. Can you see it? Wood shelling water. Can you? Wood shelling water. Wood. There was a goose. There's a duck coming right out. There. See it? Got it? It dived in. What do you think is going to happen next? Wait, look at this right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't chase it, Amika. Don't scare it, Kuta.
Coming closer, the goose. Have you seen it? Look behind you. Turn around. Very slowly. Oh, Rika's scared now because she looks behind her. There's no goose behind you. Daddy, there's a goose behind you. Two gooses are after us. Maybe another one is as well. Is that one after us too? No. Is that C's? C's. 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 Look at this one coming closer. Closer. Daddy, you're blocking the swan's way. The swan's coming closer. There's a swan. There's a swan. What's he gonna do? Make way for the royalty of the swans. Okay, it doesn't like royalty. What shall we do then? Is it sad? You show your best photo, Paris. Best photo, Paris. Come on, dance, guys. It won't take it. Dance, okay? Dance like a swan. Come on, I want it to come out of the water. Just dance like this one, that will impress it. loads of birds, but we haven't seen most of them. We will keep looking until we find it. Is that okay? So let's keep looking, yeah? We found most of the birds though. We're really lucky. Listen for the sharp tick or crackling. Ick, ick, eek. Dead trees. We've seen some gooses and a swan, and even one of the gooses followed us. Isn't that amazing?
Were you scared?
No, we weren't scared. Let's keep going.
Did you feed the duck?
We didn't feed it though. It was looking for food, I think.
Okay.
It wasn't. We had food in our bag, but it wasn't food for any goose or duck or swan. Anyway, let's find some more things. Okay? In the love house, Daddy. Hey, Mika, look at the bench. Sit on. Sit on the bench. Sit on the bench. Oh, this is so warm and cozy. Maybe the birdies need it. We've decided we're going back now. We've stopped at a river to look at it for some time. Turn around and you'll see it. What do you think? And there are some designs on this bench over here, and my sister thinks the birdies made it out of their beaks. Is that true? Who knows? Another thing that a bird has made, I think. Can you see it? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It looks like they carved it with their beak. Let's keep going and find out more. Is there any birds? Any more birds? We haven't found any rabbits yet though. Let's keep looking for rabbits now. Surfing with a cord. I'm surfing with a cord. I'm surfing on my head. I'm surfing with a cord. I'm surfing on a cord. I'm surfing on the cord. Okay. Got you. Okay, it's boring now. Can you make it a seesaw like a proper seesaw? Bounce it. Make a seesaw. Oh. Okay, now that really is scary. I like it. Look at my feet. They're up on this branch. And we're climbing. We can't see anything on the branch though. Well, there's nothing even on this branch, but we just prefer a climb. We're going to get down in a minute, so there will be some animals. There will be some animals. are in the mouse maze. And if you come here, I can show you something. Come on, pull along. Keep going. Keep going. Look, viewers. Now I want to go home. Now in a harvest mouse nest. It's very big and it's round. Let's go and find something else. Because we are in the mouse maze. Jingle up.